All right, everybody. So I tried to create a video just a moment ago, and for some odd reason, it actually shut it off while I was cleaning the TV. But as you can see here, I mean, it's the Sony Curve TV, and this is what it looked like after I had actually used just something as simple as one of those microfiber cloths, and then just your run-of-the-mill tap water. My tip for actually doing this is that, make sure that the cloth is just wet enough to go ahead and start cleaning. You don't want to really do that dry. But because the video cut off in the middle of me cutting or finishing this up, I'll tell you what I'm actually going to do. I actually have this crayon here. I can't believe I'm about to do this. But yeah, I'm going to use this, and well, let me just show you. So my daughter today took the liberty of actually coming over and putting a lot more than that on there. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how easy it is to use that microfiber cloth to go ahead and clean that off. Oh my goodness, that actually pained me to mark that up there. And as you can see, I barely got the cloth wet. A couple of droplets, I had to let it sit in there just for a few moments because they're not very absorbent. But anyways, here we go. So my tip is just don't put too much water on the cloth, because what can happen is that as you press into it, and I'm only using about, I would say, maybe a pound of pressure behind this, because you don't want to push too hard or else you'll damage your television. But, if you put too much water on the cloth, when you start pressing into it, it could bead up and then run down into this crack right here. Well, who knows what electronics are actually hiding behind this. And as you can see there, it's actually transferring onto the cloth. And look how well that's actually doing, folks. I mean, I watched a couple of videos earlier this morning. One fellow was using this product that he bought from a store, the dollar store or whatnot. Got tricked into watching that one. But the second one that I watched, John was actually using a can of WD-40 in a spray can, and went ahead and took off all those crayon marks. And the TV looked great, but the problem is they never show you how they actually remove all of the WD-40 afterwards. I can only assume it was with some sort of cleaner. And the one thing I do notice about this is that there's a little bit of a haze to it, and so that's that anti-glare application that they put on. But anyways, I mean, you judge for yourself. As you can see, I mean, not a trace of that crayon left. And again, as simple as just using this microfiber cloth, a little bit of water, and that's that. And so folks, hopefully that helps all you parents out there. You may have had a child do that, or will have a child that will do that, who knows. But again, thanks for watching.